hood educated, I'm glad you made it. Allow me to unfold my knowledge, wisdom, and understanding from a hood nigga's point of view to all of you, here, there, and everywhere. Now check me out. First thing we're gonna start off with is this right here. We're gonna start off with gunna, right? Now, I'm talking about, I don't understand in gang bang criminal history. I don't know gang bangers and gangsters and you know, I don't know these type of people to turn themselves in to the authorities, right? I'm talking about, I understand that Gunna was on the lam. There ain't no way it was. You mean to tell me, bro, you turned yourself in on a RICO case, murder, drugs, all this old type of stuff in play, and you turned yourself in and you got millions and millions of dollars? I don't understand it. I don't understand. What type of gangsters is y'all? Gangsters run until they get caught. Okay, now listen, let me tell y'all something, man. In gang bang culture, right? You know, gangsters will turn themselves in. Oh, I got caught, man. I ain't had no insurance on the whip. Let me go turn myself in. Oh, man, I got a ticket for speed. Let me go turn myself in. Oh, man, you know what I'm saying? I was jaywalking. Let me go turn myself in. But when it come to murder, RICO, no, ain't no turning in. Y'all gotta come get me. Y'all gotta come find me. Now look what happened. You turned your happy ass in to the authorities thinking that, okay, I'm gonna turn myself in, man, and show some face, man, show them that I ain't running from nothing. And then what they do? Nah, nigga, you ain't getting no bail, nigga. We ain't turning you loose, nigga. You ain't going home. Nah. One thing you gotta understand is this right here, man. When you facing charges like that, RICO charges and murder charges and aggravated robbery and kidnapping and shit like that, them type of charges, they wanna keep you for a little bit. They wanna hold you. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah, they wanna hold you down for a little bit when you get knocked on them type of charges. They ain't too quick to turn you loose and all that old type of shit. They want to hold your ass for the rest of your life when you dealing with them type of charges. So I don't know who the fuck that Gunna was rotating with, but man, they gave you the wrong information, bruh. And for you to be talking about some you in the your neighborhood, you in the gang, man, come on, man. What type of gangsters you hanging around that turn themselves in to the authorities? I don't know none of them. No, I don't. Listen, bruh. I do not, I'm talking about in my 900 years of living, I do not know not one gang banging gangster nigga that turned himself in for some felony type shit. Nah, we just don't do that. That's just not in our DNA. It's cops and robbers. What happened? It's cops and robbers. I run, y'all chase me. Y'all gotta catch me. What's going on? Oh my God, man. And see, now look what happened. They done denied his bond, right? Now draw. The reason why they done denied Young Thug's bond is because of this right here. The main reason was this right here, y'all. Check it out.
Do you show, though, that he has no felony convictions?
I believe that is correct, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you from the state. Just with the state's argument for this bond hearing today, that your client is a flight risk, that he has traveled extensively. Even if you turn in his passport, that would not restrict his travel outside the state of Georgia. He has a lot of support, it appears, outside the state of Georgia. It might be hard to get him back to Georgia if you were to leave the state, and that could not restrict his interstate travel. I also mentioned Judge Glanville to consider that there's an open related case that at this point does not have a bond. And so it also makes sense for Judge Glanville to consider everything and for him not to be hamstrung by any decision that the court makes today. So it's not passing the buck, it's making a decision today based on what's in front of me now.
Your Honor, if I may.
Yes.
You can set a condition that Mr. Williams is on an ankle monitor and confined to an area and not leave the state, but I would ask the court to please reconsider because what you're doing now is setting a precedent of a risk of flight when there is zero evidence. The man leaves the country because of work.
Well, I will also add that there's a risk of committing additional felonies for the reason that there's an open possession of methamphetamine with intent and sale of marijuana case pending, and that those are the same charges alleged here. Allegations in both cases. Mr. Williams, you're presumed innocent. I know Mr. Steele is already zealously representing you, but if we could put that on the order as well, that's no bond, risk to commit additional felonies as well. I appreciate your argument, Mr. Steele. Nobody does it better, but that's the order of the court. So any other issues on bond need to go in front of Judge Glanville down the road.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Y'all heard what the judge said? The main reason, right, is that he already was fighting the case for weed and methamphetamines, right? He already fighting the case. And then when they knock him on this case right here, what they catch him with? Weed and methamphetamines. At the house? Wait a minute, hold on, what type of gangsters we dealing with now? Hold on, you got weed and methamphetamines at your house where you laying your head at. You got a gun with a switch on it, rifle sawed off at the house where you lay your head at, and you fighting a case. What type of, come on, man. Is you dudes real gangsters or what's going on, man? Somebody need to jump in the comments and tell me something, bruh. I thought one of the rules was you don't shit where you sleep. I thought one of the rules was you don't keep shit where you lay your head at. You keep all that shit way over there. And you got meth at the crib? Come on, bruh. Weed, I would have understood, but meth, nigga, you doing meth? Come on with this shit, man. So now, that's one of the main reasons why that judge was like, nah, because he already showing that he disrespecting the court. That's one thing a judge can't stand. Look, we already done locked you up. We done turned you loose for meth and weed, and then we knock you again what we find you with, meth and weed. You saying fuck us. That's what you telling us. You telling us fuck us. You telling us that, look, man, fuck what y'all talking about. I'm finna have meth, weed in my house, and I'm finna have a motherfucker switching that motherfucker. I'm finna have AKs in this motherfucker and everything. Why I lay my head at? Fuck y'all. And that's why he ain't getting no bond. That's why he ain't getting no bond, y'all. At the end of the day, that's the major thing. That's why they ain't giving that boy no bond. And truth be told, I don't think he gonna get one. I think they gonna make him sit in there until this whole thing is over with, because he already showed a disregard for the court. And anybody that ever dealt in the criminal legal system understand you don't play with that judge, bruh. When a judge tell you something, he's standing on it. And when you go against that judge, he gonna hit your ass upside the head like, here, man, I told you quit playing with me. I don't play them games. You see what I'm saying? So, man, look. Young Thug, Gunna, it's over with, bruh. I'm putting it out there right now. It's a wrap, man. Because let me tell y'all something. Come on, we hood educated, not lane related. Let me tell y'all something. For them to be bringing up shit from 2012 and saying that y'all the ones that did it, that's letting us know right there. They done grabbed a hold of somebody, man, and somebody they grabbed a hold of somebody, and that somebody told everything. Told everything. I'm talking about shit from 2012. And not only that, man, you paid? Wait a minute. Come on, man. Somebody wake me up, I'm dreaming. Young Thug, you paid, man, for a rental car? For your homeboys to go do a hit in? Under your name? Come on, man. Listen, man. That's why on some real shit, bruh, everybody ain't gangsters, man. When I was coming up, bro, you had to be screened. See, all that beating you up and all that little type of shit, just that don't prove shit, man. Just because you beat a motherfucker up and then, yeah, man, you're a part of the hood, that don't prove shit, man. Because when them police get in your face, it ain't about beating you up. It's about this. They gonna play with that mental, right? They gonna get you in that motherfucker and they gonna get to talking about football numbers. We finna get your ass 55 years. Nigga can't think that far. 55 years? What y'all mean? Nigga don't even want to be in jail 55 days. You understand what I'm saying? Nah. See, when I was coming up, man, like, we screened you. It wasn't no beating up and none of that type of shit, man. You had to really go through a real screening, man. I'm talking about, like, it had to be motherfuckers that vouch for you, that synced you. I'm talking about not just in the war field, you know what I'm saying? Because we got killers that snitch all the time, right? That snitch all the time. We got to see what's going on up here, right? See if you mentally strong. They ain't doing that no more. And that's why the snitching is at an all-time high. And it's the thing to do now. It ain't no shame in it, right? You got motherfuckers like Whack 100 hugging and kissing those snitches and shit like that. Nuh-uh, bruh. Nah. The things done changed, man. The rules done changed to the game. And these so-called gangsters and gangbangers and shit like that, hey, man, turning yourself in to the police, I ain't never heard it before, bruh. No, I'm not on no ricos and shit like that. I ain't never heard it. Y'all gotta come and find me. I got millions of dollars. Boy, you done turned yourself in, gunna, and you might not never see the light of day again unless it's on a prison yard, man. And y'all seen Young Thug, right? This man ain't got no felonies. He ain't got no felonies, and they still treating him like he a convicted felon. They teaching us. But we gotta pay attention. This hood educated, not lane related. Peace and love, man. And y'all take care of yourself out there. Make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, and share the hell out this video. Peace.